Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, February 4th, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 12 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Whoa, did the dams break today? We had a nice rollover. Some of the analysis we did in our pre-market on Monday in our room, we talked about some key levels, and today the market tested those. So we had 5 trades today for 12 ES ticks, but I just want to make one mention. On your screen you see an N plus 16. That is actually a pre-market news trade that was also a valid setup. But it is not counted in our daily video wrap-up as far as our totals here. So the video counts for 5 trades, not including this pre-market news that was a 16-tick trade. That was a trade that some folks in our room did catch and was able to take advantage of and get into this down move at probably about the most appropriate place today before the market opened. So anyway, want to make mention that is not counted in our 5 trades for 12 ES ticks, but it is a valid entry per our trading plan. Okay, we opened up this morning and immediately just made a push down, barely traded above the open around 940, and then everything started breaking loose. We had some news announcements that was coming out at 10, and everything was just falling. No chance to really jump on this unless you were doing some what we call micro entries in the room, which we do, but it wasn't a trading plan setup for what we needed. We actually did not get an actual setup until after 10:30. Our first signal obviously was long after that large down move, and that produced targets 1, but did not get any follow through for a 2-tick loss. And again, because of the extreme negativity, we were staying away from some of these shots to the upside for obvious reasons. But we were trying to get into this thing to the downside as much as possible. We did have an extension trade to the downside that fired off around 11 o'clock. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 8 ticks, followed by a signal long. First target, no follow through, 2-tick loss, followed by a shakeout to the downside. First target, no follow through, actually got stopped out because of the way we run our stops for a 2-tick loss. So the morning was basically, you had the pre-market news, you had one decent setup, then you had a couple of stop outs where you're trying to go counter trend, which again we were trying to encourage everyone not to do in the room. After lunch we got a nice setup right around 2 o'clock, produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 additional ticks. And then there was a little rally there going into our 3 o'clock quitting time, but we didn't have any opportunities. And then the market rolled over again, and it closed pretty much near its lows. So officially, for the record, 5 trades, 12 ES ticks, plus we had the large news trade that would have tacked on another 16. So it would have been like 6 trades for 28 ticks if you had taken the news trade. But to stay consistent in how we approach these videos, I want to just show you the trading plan setups if you take them as written and during the times as written. So I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit us at eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.